halfway through the year America is supposed to rise from the ashes. We are nowhere near recovery. But Bitcoin, as of recording, hasn't returned to its $60,000 glory. It's barely above its half. Then you have dogecoin, whose pronunciation is as confusing as its existence. It's hanging around $1. I can go on and on about the crypto market, but I can pretty much summarize it in one sentence. Cryptocurrency is volatile. So volatile, it can cause anxiety just watching the charts. But there's an investment that has been very steady, and that's precious metals. Since February, gold has been consolidating, and it's been frustrating a lot of people. You know, after it broke through 2,000 last year, it hit about 1,700. And listen, I can understand it's frustrating if you're looking at it day to day. But here's the thing: all assets have this volatility to some extent. Now, cryptocurrencies like Ethereum went in half. You know, Ethereum was at 4,000, now it's at 1,700. You know, that market's notorious for volatility, and it becomes frustrating when you buy if you're not aware of that volatility. But the key is to everything is you want to try to buy assets that are low, and you obviously wait for them to go up. So, you know, you have events that are happening right now that can affect the economy and affect politics. You know, they can also affect your investments. This time there are 3 events that's pushing gold and silver most likely to new highs this year. Number 1, you have constrained supplies. Gold mining and gold production across the globe are down. China, the biggest producer of gold, isn't making things any better in that world. Their policies are tightening, and they're still fighting the pandemic along with the rest of the world. Number 2, there's explosive demand. That's just not for investments. Gold continues to be rediscovered by many industries, and it will continue to do that. Number 3, aggressive fiscal and monetary policies. As the dollar loses its value, investors are looking for ways to store their assets. People are aware that a $1 million tucked away for their retirement probably won't be worth that much when they retire. Gold is going to store that value, so people are buying gold. Gold last week closed a little bit above 1,900, and I think once the breakout becomes noticed in the mainstream financial media outlets again, investors will likely flood the market, and they're going to continue to help this rally in gold. So don't wait for the crowd. Stay ahead of it. Buy gold before it shoots up. That's the best way to do it.
If you're interested in investing in precious metals and you want to talk to a no-hassle representative that has experience in physical metal, give us a call. Phone number is 877-646-5347. Our phone lines are always open, and we're happy to answer any of your questions.